Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be working on my latest football helmet project, and I just got this thing in the mail today and just wanted to take a quick look at it right out of the box. It's got a few scuff marks that I'll need to touch up a little bit. Overall, it doesn't look too bad. I'm not quite sure how deep some of these marks are, but we're gonna see what we can do about them. Yeah, this side's a little bit worse. There's some deep stuff over there. So first thing I'm going to do, which is the same thing I do to all of my football helmet projects, is I'm just going to remove the hardware first, get that cleaned separately, and then take some Goo Gone with a cotton ball across some of these scuff marks to see if we can clean that up a little bit, and then see what we're working with. So there's still some scuff marks after finishing up the Goo Gone. What I'm going to do now is take a microfiber cloth and take some rubbing compound to it, just to kind of see if we can get some of these deeper scuff marks out. All right, just want to give you all a quick update on the helmet and its condition now after I've finished with all of the Goo Gone and the compounding. As you can see, obviously it's not a perfect helmet because it's been used, but just the very simple steps of cleaning it up has made it look significantly better. You can see that there are some scuff marks that are pretty deep, right there, and right there. But you know, I'm gonna live with that. And if I'm gonna cover this up with some team decals, obviously this area would be covered up. So this got me about 90% there to where I'm satisfied. So now that I have it cleaned up a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and reassemble by putting the padding back together. All right, next step is to take the 3D lettering from these bumpers off by taking a Dremel to it and shaving it down. I did purchase some 3D bumpers for the Chargers, which is the helmet that I'm making, and I will be able to throw those on there on a flat surface once this lettering is down. So we're going to go ahead and get that done now. Alright, I've pretty much put together the helmet here. I've gotten the front bumper on, and the rear bumper I've got still detached because I'm going to put the 3D bumper on. Chin strap's attached. So what I'm going to do now here is I got these 3D bumpers, and I'm going to put them on to the bumpers. Well, due to a series of unfortunate events, the original face mask that I pulled off from this helmet and sent out to Green Gridiron was lost by the United States Postal Service. What I ended up doing was I had to purchase a brand new face mask, and I bought it straight from Green Gridiron. Obviously, I didn't have to do any reconditioning because I was able to choose my color. The color that I chose for this specific helmet build is Carolina Blue. And that's a look at the face mask right there. I think it looks great. I really think that the Chargers should go with a powder blue color face mask instead of the yellow color, because I think it pops a lot more. I felt the same way with the Detroit Lions, looking at their old gray on gray helmets. There just wasn't a lot of pop to it. And so this season you've seen that they've gone to a blue face mask, which I think looks really good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, and I'm gonna throw a visor on there. and I'll come back and show you guys the finished product. Alright, here is one final look at the Chargers helmet build. I decided to go with the yellow visor clips. This is a gold chrome visor. You know, I think it makes it pop just a little bit more against the blue. "3D bumpers in the back. I'm really digging this blue face mask. I think it matches the powder blues of the Chargers quite well. DIY helmet, done. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and I'll catch you all on the next video.